So we're doing a video finally. Sasha at DS18 sent me a Hooligan 12 and Korean amp. So we decided to put it in my 7 Series. Yes, V12. So you got the HK05, which is Korean. We have that in here, the 5K, but it's actually running at 2 ohms instead of 1. And then we have the by XLR8 gauge Cameron. Built a nice 4th order, which ports into the inside. Simple, still factory mids and highs, factory battery. Luckily the BMW alternator is huge, especially in the 7 Series with all the electronics. Well, there we go. You can take a peek inside. He did a cutout in the armrest area to vent the port through. All right, let's go take a seat. So we're in the 760. So factory mids and highs, it's obviously super loud in here. That's the Bowers and Wilkins. And then we added in, we still have plenty of gain on the amplifier. I want to break it in a little bit longer, but it's obviously already killing it in here. Just running Spotify in here. Let me try to get something else on. Let's do something chopped.
GPS connected.
Thank you. Never going over without a radar detector, especially when you're running 600 plus horse.
Just ain't run, shit with y'all mouth. First, haters step the first. Hater get talk, bitches ain't running, shit.
Dragged up from Indiana to Tennessee, Arkansas, Mississippi, Texas, Louisiana, Florida, and the motherfucking 18.
Get the crown to wash it down. I'm downtown, snapping rules. Ain't no shame up in my game.
So even just a simple add-in, custom box, vented through the armrest, keep it, man, it looks factory, great job. Bass sounds great, and mids and highs keep up. Just shows you don't need to put a bunch into it. Yeah, I did do a Hooligan and an expensive amp, but everything else is factory. So there's Big Jeff's ride. It's the 2020 M760i V12. Got every cookie treat you can imagine, and I've got it up to about 143 once, and still had plenty more to go. Plenty more in that V12. But this is what you get with some DS18.
Like all the rest, but I come through the base. Take a chill pill and slow me down and get back in the game. Gotta be up on your